To check your transaction history on Klarna, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the Klarna app or website to find your past transactions easily. Step 1. Open the Klarna app or website. Launch the Klarna app on your mobile device or visit the Klarna website on your computer. Make sure you are connected to the internet. Step 2. Log into your account. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generate and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Navigate to your account. Once logged in, look for the account or profile section. This is usually found in a menu or at the bottom of the screen. Step 4. Access transaction history. In the account section, find the option labeled Orders, Transactions, or Purchase History. Click on it to view a list of all your past transactions. Step 5. Review your transactions. Browse through your transaction history. You can click on individual transactions for more details, such as the date, amount, and merchant information. Now you can easily keep track of your purchases and manage your finances with Klarna.